Here's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This GLE is reassuring when the weather turns and rewarding when the road turns. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: twin-turbo V8 engine, active front and rear anti-roll bar, engine auto stop-start feature, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather sport seats, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,